Every animal on Earth can survive on its own. A bear can hunt alone. A turtle hatches and walks straight into the ocean. Even most predators can figure out food, shelter, and survival without help. But humans? A human baby left alone dies within hours. And even a grown adult, without other people, doesn't last long either. We like to think of ourselves as the most capable species on the planet, and in many ways we are. But we are also, uniquely, the only species that literally cannot exist without others of its kind. So what happened to us? Why are we so dependent on each other? It starts with our brain. The human brain is enormous compared to our body size. But growing a big brain is expensive. It takes years of energy, protection, and care. So human babies are born early, before the brain is fully developed, because a fully developed brain wouldn't fit through the birth canal. This means every human starts life completely helpless, more helpless than any other mammal on Earth. And that helplessness requires a community just to survive. But it goes deeper than infancy. Think about everything you know. How to cook, how to read, how to build shelter, how to find clean water. You didn't figure any of that out yourself. Every single survival skill humans have was learned from another human. We don't inherit survival instincts the way other animals do. We inherit knowledge, passed down through language, teaching, and culture. Take that away, and we are the most poorly equipped animal in the wild. Here's the fascinating part. Humans didn't evolve to survive alone. We evolved to specialize. One person hunts, one person cooks, one person builds, one person heals. Over thousands of years, we built a system where no single person needs every skill because the group has all of them. This is called the division of labor, and it made us the most powerful species on the planet. But it also made us completely dependent on each other to function. And then there's the emotional layer. Research shows that prolonged isolation doesn't just make humans lonely. It physically damages the brain. It raises cortisol. It weakens the immune system. It produces the same stress response as physical pain. We didn't just evolve to need people for food and shelter. We evolved to need people to stay mentally and physically healthy. Connection isn't a luxury for humans. It's a biological requirement. So the next time someone tells you to be more independent, remember this. Needing people isn't a weakness. It's the reason we survived. Every language you speak was built by others. Every idea you have was shaped by others. Every meal on your table passed through dozens of human hands. We are not individuals who sometimes form groups. We are a group species that occasionally wanders off alone. And somehow that makes us more remarkable, not less.